Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrimonious. 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 Acrimonious is an adjective used to describe a situation, conversation, or interaction that is marked by bitterness, resentment, and harsh language. It implies a tone of discord, hostility, and ill will between the parties involved. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The acrimonious divorce proceedings lasted for years, fueled by disputes over assets. Why acrimonious is used in example number 1. Acrimonious describes the bitter and contentious nature of the divorce. Example number 2. The acrimonious debate between the candidates turned personal, with insults flying. Why acrimonious is used in example number 2. Acrimonious signifies the bitter and hostile exchange of words. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.